Stone Floor Cleaning Tadworth by Fabritec Stone Care. Are you tired of feeling like you're fighting a losing battle against your natural stone floors? You've tried everything from scrubbing to mopping, but nothing seems to get them clean. It's time to stop the frustration and start searching for a solution. Welcome to the world of Fabritec Stone Care. The ultimate solution for all your stone care needs. Say goodbye to dull and lifeless surfaces, and hello to a vibrant and radiant shine that will leave you breathless. Our success. It's all in the details. We take the time to understand the unique needs of your floors and tailor our approach accordingly. Whether you have natural stone or floor tile, we have the expertise to get the job done right. So if you're tired of struggling to keep your floors clean, it's time to turn to the experts. With Fabritec Stone Care, you'll get the natural stone cleaning service you've been searching for. Contact us today to learn more. For a reliable stone and tile cleaning and restoration contractor, call 07798608640 now.